Mustafa John. Thank you for taking us to places unseen. Mustafa John, exploring the world, living the dream.
Hello everyone, I am Mustafa Jan. Welcome to Jan Studio. This is the 7th episode of the Thailand series. Good morning, everyone. It's time for some breakfast shopping. I'm heading out to buy some fresh bread for breakfast. It's a simple but essential mission. Oh my god, crossing the road here is like playing an extreme level video game. The traffic in this city is so intense, but it's all part of the adventure, right? Luckily, there's a small shop just a few steps away from our hostel. The local shops here are always buzzing with life, and you can find almost everything. I love how convenient it is to have everything so close by when you're traveling. Let's grab some bread and maybe explore what else this shop has to offer. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and I want it to be perfect. Stay tuned for more adventures after breakfast. This is just the start of an exciting day.
ये स्कूल के बच्चे हैं और इनकी छुट्टी हो गई है और how are you? What's your good name? Name? Your name? Huh? Meow? Meow? Yom? Meow Yom. Okay, nice to meet you. Agora
Paniano com chanfuru. Paniano com
त्यो पजमा कद कोर्न जोड़े ठीक रवानियों का ना दागार वाला दागम दागा कहीं का फूड हम सप्लाई कहीं जमा ख्याल ले ग्रेप देखोगा
Today we have a special plan. We're going on a walking tour to explore the beautiful Patong Beach. Patong Beach is one of the most famous beaches in Thailand, and I can't wait to share the experience with you. As we walk, I'll take you through the streets, the vibe, and the journey leading up to this stunning destination. Right now I'm making my way toward the beach. Stay with me because the views are absolutely worth it. The streets are lively here, filled with shops, cafes, and local vendors selling everything from souvenirs to snacks. I'll try to capture the essence of this place so you can feel like you're walking here with me. As we approach the beach, you'll notice the crystal clear water and soft golden sand. It's like a postcard coming to life. One thing to note, Patong Beach is very popular among tourists, so it's always buzzing with energy. I'm carrying my new DSLR camera, so I'll do my best to protect it, especially near the water. There are many people swimming here, and you'll see a mix of locals and visitors enjoying their time. To keep things respectful, I'll try to avoid capturing any inappropriate or private moments, especially with swimmers. This brings me to a quick note. I'd recommend viewers under 20 years old skip this video, just to keep it suitable for everyone. Look at this amazing sunset reflecting off the water. It's like nature is putting on a show for us. The sound of the waves is so relaxing. I can see why people love spending their evenings here. I'll also show you some of the unique activities happening on the beach, like parasailing and jet skiing. You can feel the vibrant atmosphere all around. It's lively, but also peaceful in its own way. Walking here is not just a tour. It's an experience that connects you with the beauty of the place. We've finally reached the stunning Patong beach. The first thing that catches my eye is the breathtaking view of colorful clouds spreading across the sky. These clouds add a magical touch to the already beautiful beach. What a perfect setting. The sound of the waves, the soft sand, and this vibrant atmosphere make it feel like paradise. Look over there. People are enjoying paragliding, one of the most exciting activities here. Paragliding has always been my favorite adventure sport to watch. It's thrilling to see people soaring high in the sky, almost like they're flying with the birds. Unfortunately, I can't join them because of my height phobia. Yes, I'm scared of heights. But that doesn't stop me from admiring how much fun they're having up there. For those of you who love adventure, I'd say paragliding is a must-try if you visit Patong Beach. The colorful parachutes against the backdrop of the clouds create such a beautiful scene. It's like art in motion. Even though I can't experience it myself, I'm here capturing every moment for you. From the shore, you can hear the excitement and joy of the people as they glide over the water. I feel like this beach has something for everyone. Whether you love adventure or prefer relaxing on the sand, let me give you a close-up of the paragliders. They look so tiny from here, but so free in the sky. There's also so much happening around us. Families playing, friends laughing, and travelers enjoying the sunset. Speaking of the sunset, it's starting to paint the sky in hues of orange and pink, absolutely mesmerizing. I may not be flying high, but moments like these remind me why I love traveling and exploring new places. It's not just about what you do, but the memories you create and the beauty you witness. Thank you for coming along on this journey with me. Patong Beach is truly a gem, and there's more to explore, so stay tuned. As the evening settles in, Patong Beach becomes even more vibrant and alive. The golden hues of the setting sun are reflecting on the water, creating a magical glow. We decided to take a stroll along the shore, feeling the cool sand beneath our feet. The gentle breeze coming off the ocean makes this evening so refreshing. People around us are having the time of their lives. Some are playing volleyball, others are building sandcastles. The sound of the waves crashing against the shore is like nature's own symphony. We found a perfect spot to sit and just enjoy the view. It feels like the world has slowed down. I can see some kids running around, chasing each other. It's a reminder of how simple joys can be so meaningful. Street vendors have started setting up along the beach, selling everything from fresh coconuts to grilled seafood. We couldn't resist trying some coconut water. It's so sweet and refreshing. As the sky transitions from orange to deep purple, the beach takes on an entirely different vibe. The lights from nearby cafes and restaurants are starting to twinkle, adding a cozy atmosphere. We can hear live music playing in the distance. Someone is strumming a guitar, and it adds to the charm. There's a fire dancing show happening a little further down the beach. It's amazing to watch. We even joined a small group playing frisbee. It's fun to connect with strangers and share the joy. This evening feels like a perfect blend of adventure, relaxation, and making memories. Sitting here watching the waves, I realize how moments like these are what travel is all about. The laughter, the energy, and the beauty of Patong Beach make it a place I'll never forget. Before we leave, we're planning to try some snacks from the local food stalls. The aroma is irresistible. Thank you for spending this wonderful evening with us at Patong Beach. Right now, we're watching paragliders as they gracefully glide through the colorful sky. The way they move so effortlessly, it feels like they're dancing with the wind. The golden glow of the sunset adds an enchanting backdrop to this already mesmerizing scene. We're just taking a moment to appreciate how peaceful and calming this place is. It's the perfect time to capture some pictures and make memories we'll cherish forever. Every click of the camera feels like we're freezing a little piece of this magical evening. The reflection of the sunset on the water is absolutely stunning. It's like the ocean is sparkling with gold. Paragliding looks so thrilling, and seeing it against the setting sun is simply unforgettable. As we sit here, the cool breeze gently brushes past, adding to the tranquility of this moment. It's incredible how the beach transforms into a canvas of colors during sunset. People around us are also enjoying this serene moment. Some are taking pictures, others are just relaxing. We can hear the distant cheers and laughter of kids playing near the shore. The sound of the waves rolling in and out feels like nature's own rhythm, calming and steady. From this spot, we can see the whole beach lit up with life, yet still maintaining its peaceful vibe. It's moments like these that make traveling so rewarding, experiencing nature in all its glory. As the sun dips lower, the sky turns shades of orange, pink, and purple, a painter's dream come true. We're taking a few more photos to capture this view before the light fades completely. This is definitely one of the most beautiful sunsets I've ever seen, and I'm so happy to share it with you all. All right, everyone, we're now heading back to our hostel after an amazing day at Patong Beach. The walk back feels so peaceful, with the cool evening breeze making it even better. It's always bittersweet to leave such a beautiful place, but I'm excited for what's next. The streets are starting to light up, giving us a glimpse of Phuket's vibrant nightlife. Even though the day is ending, the energy here feels like it's just getting started. We're taking our time walking back, enjoying the sights and sounds of this lively area. I can see street vendors setting up for the evening, and the aroma of food is already tempting. The glow of neon lights from nearby bars and shops adds a different charm to the streets. It's amazing how Phuket transforms at night, so lively and colorful, almost like a new city. I'm planning to rest a bit once we reach the hostel, but don't worry, the adventure isn't over yet. In my next video, I'll take you on a tour of Phuket's nightlife. It's something you don't want to miss. We'll explore the buzzing streets, night markets, and maybe even check out some live music. Phuket at night is famous for its energy, with something for everyone to enjoy. The night markets are especially exciting, with endless options for food, shopping, and entertainment. I'll make sure to show you the vibrant culture and the unique experiences this place has to offer. If you've enjoyed this day with me, trust me, the night will be even more fun and dynamic.
Food, huh?
Yeah.
We're looking at island tour packages for a one-day adventure. There are so many beautiful islands to explore around Phuket, each with its unique charm. One of the most famous destinations is James Bond Island, and we've been hearing so much about it. It's named after the iconic James Bond movie, The Man with the Golden Gun, which was filmed there. We wish we had visited James Bond Island during this trip. It's a dream destination for many travelers. The towering limestone cliffs and emerald green waters make it look like something out of a movie. Hopefully, we'll get a chance to plan another trip and include this iconic island on our itinerary. For now, we're exploring other package options and looking forward to discovering more hidden gems nearby.
शावर से माशाल्लाह खाना खा लिया
खाना शाम को
चलो शाम को फिर आइएगा ना अच्छा खाना खिलाएंगे थाई भी मिलेगा सी फूड मिलेगा इंडियन भी मिलेगा जरूर जरूर चक्कर शाम को कब तक हाँ बस
But for now, it's time to head back, recharge, and gear up for the evening. The streets are still bustling, but there's a calmness that comes with walking back after a fulfilling day. I hope you've enjoyed this little journey with me. Thank you for being part of my day. Stay tuned for the next video where we'll dive into the heart of Phuket's nightlife. See you soon. Take care to your health. Goodbye.